In this video, I'll demonstrate how to restart a Windows computer remotely using PowerShell, even if the remote computer is BitLocker enabled. I'll begin by opening PowerShell as an administrator on my local machine named Win101. If I want to restart my local computer, I'll type restart-computer. I'm required to enter the BitLocker PIN before the operating system will boot. After login, I'll open PowerShell once again by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Windows PowerShell Admin. Next, I'll attempt to restart another domain-joined computer named Win102 remotely by using restart-computer space-computer name space Win102. After waiting a few seconds, I received the error that RPC server is unavailable. After some research, I determined the Windows firewall was blocking WMI. So I'll hop on over to the domain controller and edit the empty firewall group policy object. Under computer configuration, I'll then navigate to the Windows firewall inbound rules. Right-clicking in the blank space will present the menu to create a new rule. Select the predefined radio button and click on the drop-down menu to select Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI. The default Allow the Connection is good for me, so I'll click Finish to create the inbound firewall rule that will apply to all of my Windows 10 computers. Run the command gpupdate on the remote computer to force an immediate policy update. When I retry the restart-computer command, it fails again, but this time with a different error. Someone is logged into Win102. Add -force to the end to force the restart anyway. The remote computer still requires a BitLocker PIN, and that can be a problem because the computer will not boot without it. We can, however, suspend BitLocker on the remote computer for exactly one reboot to avoid that issue. Since the suspend BitLocker command only works locally, we need to use it with invoke-command to run it against the remote computer. I'll type invoke-command and -computer name Win102 -script block, open curly brace, and on a new line I'll type suspend-BitLocker -mount point C, which is the C drive of the remote computer that's encrypted, and then reboot count of 1. Close the curly brace and then hit enter. I'll review the encryption status of the local computer for comparison. The protection status of the local drive is on, while the drive on the remote computer is off. In File Explorer on the remote computer, the C drive shows a yellow triangle indicating that BitLocker protection is suspended. I can now proceed with restarting the remote computer. The remote computer boots without requiring a PIN. The C drive icon is back to normal, and the BitLocker status now shows on. So that's it. That's how to restart a BitLocker enabled computer remotely with PowerShell. The write-up with detailed information not shown in the video will be uploaded to GitHub, linked in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.